Polucensis. These birds can be found in eastern Indonesia, and they are the largest among the white cockatoos. Go, Jaco! There you go, the show has officially started. I'm on Passport Jaco with Trainer Rochelle. Hello everybody and welcome to Manila Ocean Park All-Star Bird Show with me, Trainer April. So here's an object that I will hide under one of these three silver cups. So where do you want me to put this object? On your left, on your right, or in the middle? Now which side? Left, right, or middle? Okay, so let's put it right here. Now let's call it our second bird, Dazzle. Dazzle is our sulfur-crested cockatoo. Scientific name, Kakatuwa galarita. They inhabit in open woodlands and forests along the east coast of Australia. They are very loud birds and can mimic almost any sound. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits, such as durian, papaya, rambutan, and they also love corn. Now guys, do you think Dazzle has the ability to find the hidden object? If it's yes, then say, you can do it, Dazzle.
You can do it, Dazzle.
There you go, Dazzle. And she found it! A round applause for Dazzle with Trainer Jerry. Now, for our next featured birds are just like any married couple. Monogamous, meaning they will be partners for a lifetime. Pretty romantic, huh? But as any couple will attest, in a relationship, there will always be battles. Meet Rico and Rika, our beautiful pair of blue and gold bako. And today they will battle it out who's the best in basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. All the girls will cheer for Rika. Come girls, let me hear say Rika, 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 Rika. And all the boys will cheer for Rico. Come boys, let me hear say Rico,
Rico, Rico, Rico.
Okay, birds ready, trainers ready, set, go! Here's Rika on his first ball, followed only by Rika. Okay, for the second ball, another one from Rico. And it's a tie for the last ball. And Rico wins! What a close game. What can you say about the trainer, Mikey? You guys lose this time.
Hold it, I want another race.
Oh, she wants another race, Trainer JV.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Rika to lose again?
This time I guarantee you that Rika will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about a ring race.
So what is a ring race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the bowl the fastest is the winner, and that is a ring race.
So, a ring race it shall be. Remember guys that boys already have 1 point. So girls, let's cheer louder for Rika to win this time. We'll be doing this again. This time, a ring race. Ready, set, go! Come on, Rika. Here's Rika on his first ring. Followed only by... Okay, wait, what's happening?
Oh.
Rika put up the 2 rings at the same time. How bad is that? And then it's Rika! What can you say about the trainer JV? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated!
No, we didn't cheat. Rika used her brain.
Oh, so it's true that girls are more talented than boys? A round of applause for Rico and Rika with Trainer Mikey and Trainer JV. Parrots are particularly known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to enhance their skills and not get bored. Here's Sassy, our ring-wing macaw. She's going to show us how intelligent she is by putting the shape back to its correct slot. Just like Sassy, ring-wing macaws are from South America. They are known to be the gentle giants of the parrot family. It is because they are the second largest next to the hyacinth macaws. Go Sassy! They can grow up to 92 centimeters in length and can live up to 80 years old. Scientific name is Arachloroptera. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the riverbeds. And there you go, intelligent, right? A round of applause for Sassy with Trainer Sean. Now guys, who loves math? Everyone here knows addition, right? Well, this next part of the program will leave most people baffled and amazed. even as trainers. Do you think birds can do math? But before we call our mathematical wizard, I'll be needing two numbers between 1 to 50. So any number between 1 to 50? Okay, so the first number will be number 7. How about the second number? Okay, so the second number will be number 10. So the equation is 7 plus 10. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can solve this equation. But first, Trainer JB will shuffle the number.
Or somewhere in that vicinity.
Now let's call in our hybrid macaw, Rocky. Trainer Shrell, is Rocky ready? Okay, go Rocky, solve the equation for us. So the equation is 7 plus 10. Let's see if Rocky can do this. Come Rocky. And Rocky gets the first number correct. How about the second number? Okay, off to the second number, Rocky. Well, Rocky loves numbers.
Oh.
And Rocky gets the number 7. So, 7 plus 10 is equal to 17. Put your hands together for a happy macaw. Rocky, the trainer shop. So this time, I need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Once again, I need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Just raise your hand and my co-trainer will pick one. Come on guys, don't be
Hey,
shy.
give me 500 pesos. No, you got it. Nobody was doing it.
Okay, I think we have one already. Please come here in front, sir, and join me. You will notice the birds in our show are mostly parrots. It is because they are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musically inclined. They have good memory and can remember even the smallest details. Good afternoon, sir. What's your name? How about an applause for our volunteer, Sir Mike? Sir, can I have the 500 peso bill? Please follow me. All you have to do is stand right here, facing this way, and then extend your left arm, just like this. As I put your money between your fingers. Sir, do you have any idea what will happen next? An idea? Well, now let's call in our body bird, Buddy. Buddy is also our Molucan cockatoo, scientific name, Cacatuwa molucensis. Okay, let's go, Buddy.
Kunin niya. He will take the money.
Come on, Buddy. Let's go. Buddy flies over. And he gets the money and flies back. And I think Buddy will take the money. All right, that's what we want. Sir, before you go, I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? No? Well, now you know and your money will go a long, long way. And we are very grateful. Thank you so much. You may now take your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. How about 1,000 peso bill design? Wala na? 1,000? Hey, sir. Sir Mike, excuse me. Are you okay? Are you sure? Then why you look so sad? Sir, please come back here. We're just kidding. It's just part of the show. Come on, buddy. Let's return the money. Sir, before Buddy gives your money back, he wants to give you a kiss. Is it okay? Okay, all you have to do is stand right here, face the camera, and then smile. You know? Okay, another one. How about on your hands? Next. And there's your money. I applause for our volunteer and Buddy. Ladies and gentlemen, now that you have seen our colorful and intelligent parrots, we would like to show you another species of bird here in Manila Ocean Park. Birds of prey, also known as raptors, hunt and feed by other animals. The term raptor came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or to take by force. These birds are characterized by their keen vision that allows them to detect prey during flight. So here's an example of their amazing flying ability. Meet our Brahmini kites. Here comes Speed. Brahmini kites, scientifically known as Haliastor indus, one of the 446 species of bird, around the world. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, along China, including here in the Philippines. And here comes Shadow. They are locally known as Lawin or Banog in Visayas region. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons has an innate homing ability, meaning they will generally return to its nest and mate. Our round of applause for our Brahmini guides and our homing pigeons. Here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. We only not try to take care of our friends in the sea, but also for those who are in landed air as well.
I'll turn the
Now,
bird.
who knows the 3 R's? It's
Oh,
reduce,
turn the bird.
reuse, and recycle. Very good. So here's our lovely bird once again. They're going to show us the proper waste disposal. Come on, Jaco. See? If our lovely birds can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you all enjoy the show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how small the effort, let's take action in saving them from exploitation or even extinction. Please, let's all do our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only home we got. So let me present the birds and the trainers that made this show possible. Trainer Shal with Jaco. Trainer Sean with Speed. And Trainer Mikey with Shadow. And again, I'm Trainer April. Thank you and goodbye. By the way guys, please remain in your seat because we still have a sea lion show. Once again, please remain in your seat and do not cross the yellow line. Thank you.